Hi guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So I have my short side and my long side. Now I'm just going to crisscross that behind my back just so I can get the longer part forward. I don't know how to explain it. Now I will try and get some folds out of this because I'm going to be wrapping that out across my head, and I want it to have as many lines as possible. So I'll wrap that diagonally across my head, and yes, and I'll fix every loose part around it and tie it just so it's secured and it doesn't go off. Yes, and I'll tie it again and tie it again. And that's it guys, pretty easy, pretty short. You're not going to waste a lot of time with this tutorial, so it can be like your go-to turban look when you're in a hurry, you're going somewhere. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe as well and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.